For this video, I will show you how to assign template on page in Shopify. First, on your website editor, go to the upper ribbon and click on Homepage. From the drop-down, choose On Pages. Then click on Create Template. Here you can name your template however you want. Then for the Based On, just select on the default page and create template. After you have your template, go back to Shopify dashboard, then go to Pages. Now, click on Add Page on the top right corner. For here, give a title to your new page, and you can also add a content. I'm gonna insert an image. Then, on the template on the right side, just choose the template you created earlier. Then make sure that it is visible and click on Save. Now your page is created with the template you made. If you go to your online store, click on Customize. Now view the page you created, and you'll see that your template is applied to that page. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.